Hey everyone, I want to thank the brand over at UBsize for sending me this tripod to try. UBsize has a huge range of products for selfies, videos, content creation. And this is just one of their more basic models. But the reason that I love it so much is that I purposely bent these so you could see that it can go around like a fence or a chair or whatever. But they could absolutely, straighten out to be just a regular straight leg as well. Super easy, super pliable to get whatever angle you want. And then, of course, you can adjust if you don't want this sitting straight like this, you can adjust this right here. And this just screws on top to the tripod. And if you don't want this, which by the way, it's hard to show with one hand, but you can stretch it to fit your phone and it will. And then on the back, there's another screw. So if you want to screw it straight down to have like a top down filming effect, you can absolutely do that. It also does come with your start stop button. It's Bluetooth. It was super easy to use. I just hit on and then went to my phone's Bluetooth settings and looked for UB size, hit the word UB size, and then hit the word pair. And now I can start whether I have an iOS phone or an Android. All I have to do is just hit the button to start and stop my video or photo. So yeah, super user friendly. I have a ton of their products and I would definitely recommend it. And I just want to thank UB Size again for sending me this to try.